evening in Sofia when everyone is returning home. The buses are full, the bus stops are full with the people. Everyone had their umbrellas with them. And yeah, that's a rainy day in Sofia. I can't find my bus stop, so there are codes in every bus stop that you have to match with the app. I have to find a certain place. There are trams, there are buses, there are metro stations and metros. There are 4 metros that travel the 4 side of Sofia, and they are planning to extend the metro stations and buses reaching the city to the part where there is no metro. This is the mall where I often come to do the shopping. This, the weather, it's so nice. It's a bit cold. I'm wearing my snow jacket, but still it looks nice and pleasant. So enjoy the rainy day with me.